So if you want your profile picture, YouTube profile picture, like well, like this, well, you came to the right channel. But make sure to subscribe and like because we're close to 40 subscribers. And I hope you guys like the video. Bye. Okay, this is how you do like conor3d's what's this again? Profile picture. It's pretty easy for a mobile, but in PC you can do this in PC too. But it'll be hard, but I don't know how you do this on PC. You have to just watch conor3d's actual video. So yeah, you can pick any videos. I mean any green screens, blue screen, yellow screen. I don't know, but this is how you do it. It's gonna be a short video, by the way. But if you want to be lazy and you don't want to do stuff, just do this. But you can like move your pose, prop, turn head. But no, we're not gonna do that. Okay, because it's really weird. It's kind of weird when you do that. Okay, in the video. Remember my last video like this? It was like cringy. I don't have any good editings like those stuff. But this, you had to be patient. I'm just joking. It's gonna be pretty fast. Take a picture of this. I mean, screenshot. Go over here and edit it out. Well, this one's bad, so I'll use. Take time. I won't rush you, but do that, and then edit it out. Okay, for here, for this one, that's for you guys, but in this one, I kind of use Kind Master, but I don't know how you do it. So, ew, what's that? I don't know how you do it. So, yeah, and I don't even know how you like edit it out without Kind Master. Okay, this one is for green screen. And if you want to use green screen, I'll show you another tutorial in this video. And just take the screenshot again. Oh, this one looks better because it's not because of the green screen, it's because of my pose. Okay, when you're done doing that, go outside. Sorry for the background, I just like him. So you go to 16 and then wait, no, not Kind Master. I'm just joking, not Kind Master. Go to Pixar. I'm gonna blur that out because it's my privacy. I don't really know how to oh yeah, I remember. Okay, you cut up this, but the thing is I'll take a long time, so I'm just gonna Okay, so I'm not gonna outline the actors because it will take a lot of time and the lighting is really bad. So I'll save that and save the photos. Done. You don't need to do that. Done that. When you're done, you can choose a background. And that background can be anything. Like this gotcha thing. I'm just joking. But you can choose anything. So I'm just gonna choose. And by the way, the game is called Unicue Photoshop. I'm just gonna use what is that? I actually forgot. Oh yeah, there. You can use anything, and screenshot it, and then boom. You can like do something cool. You have to just wait. Go to I think FX, blur. You can blur that to there, like that. Wait, what does? Oh, the face does nothing. Okay, that's done. And the next thing is add a photo here. And that's how you do conor3d's profile. You can choose anything. You can choose it for thumbnail if you want to, but make sure it's not that bright, right like this, because it'll be bad. So I hope you like the video, and I hope you subscribe. We're close to 40 subscribers. And then like the video. I think I already said that. I don't like this. So I hope you like this video that took hours to do. And now I had to edit it. So yeah, guys, I hope you like the video. Bye.